Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Pretty easy pattern that anybody could make, and you could change it up quite a bit. And if you like, take a screenshot of that right there. That's what we need. Really just these few parts right in here. So we're going to move this out of the way. Let's move them both out of the way. And I'm going to start with a square holding down the control button. Any size. Doesn't really matter what size you start with. I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. I'm going to control D and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Then this first one we drew, I'm going to control D, and while holding down the shift key, I'm going to have it snap to that edge right there. Now take a 2-point line and hit P. Now, you don't have to, but you might as well just cut these lines off. And we're going to control D and rotate it 22.5 degrees. And then just go all the way around. Now what we want to do is we want to take the virtual segment delete. Well, we want to add a line. So we're going to take and add this line right here. That line right there at an angle. So we're going to take a 2-point line and go from that intersection to that intersection. Now we're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete these two lines. That's really all you need. Now, I'm going to go ahead and group this together so we can move it out of the way in a second. Well, matter of fact, we want to take away this line right here. So let's take that line away. Now what we want to do is take our Smart Fill tool, and you could use any color. I'm going to start with a black right there. And then I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use blue. I'm going to make those two blue. And I'm going to make this one a gray. Well, you know what? Maybe make this one a... I'm trying to look at this. I made that one black. So let's make that one black. And let's make this one a light gray. That's all you need. Now, because we've had this group together, we can move this out of the way. Now, you can do a lot or a little bit with this. Let's take that one color, use the interactive fill tool, and let's swipe down and get that bar even, and let's put a little black right there, give a little darkness. And then let's do the same thing here. Let's put a little black there. I'm going to change it up a little bit. Now, go ahead and group this together, Control G, Control D, alternate C, which is going to have it rotate from there, and rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And there you have it. Trying to get rid of that click, hit something. Anyway, pretty little fun little project. Hope that helped you someday, and thank you for watching.